There have been a lot of AI assistant apps coming out this year, but for me, this tool has been my go-to. You can have your own personalized AI that understands you. It can be your second brain that remembers what you read, does research on whatever you want to know, saves the search results to your knowledge base, and writes in your own style. I have reviewed many AI apps, but there hasn't been anyone this customizable that can adapt to different needs. So I made a few videos about it already, but they recently added a lot of new upgrades. Its new chat is much more intuitive and it looks beautiful without any clutter. Using this, you can search the internet and find the information you need, or have AI help you with your tasks. So for research, you can choose internet and let it search online for any topic you'd like to know about. With the new update, you can now see the process of this AI search more clearly. It shows its query and which websites it visited. Also, it gives you the complete list of references if you click more references, so you can visit them and learn more. But to conduct more specific search, you can choose an area. It can be a Scholar, which is perfect for academics, or YouTube, Twitter, Reddit, and so on. I love having these options for different needs. Sometimes when I want to know people's opinions about a product, for example, I use Reddit or a Twitter because I find it more authentic than reading an article. And if you like the result, it lets you save it to your knowledge base so you can see it later or use it for your future writing or studying. And what's unique about TextCortex is that it understands different tasks require different approaches, and they made it incredibly easy to switch between different AI personalities. And this means, for example, if you're a developer, you can use Linus, who will be able to produce a better response to your questions than Zeno, who is more for general topics. Likewise, if you're in marketing, you can use Hemingway, who can write more effective copies for your requests. But you can even create your own persona, so you can have an AI that talks in a specific way or talks just like you, which is the biggest reason why TextCortex is so useful, but I will get into that later. If you're working on a specific type of project, the templates are a great way to save time and effort. You can find different ones for each task you're working on. I love that they have filters for fields as well as occupations. So if you're a project manager, for example, you can find some relevant templates for your needs. Or if you're a marketer, there are suitable ones like design, promotional campaign, and transform an existing article. And for students, there are useful ones like proofread and rewrite and draft an essay. I personally like Teach Me template, where AI breaks down a complex concept and teaches you the key points. And once you understand it, you can ask AI to turn it into a structured note, so you can save it to your knowledge base and review it later. Having all these options for customization is great, but it's how you combine them that makes it useful. So let me share how I use TextCortex. It's been one of my absolutely essential tools for both work and life. So since I use it quite often every day, I have a quick link to it on my Mac so I can access it right away. Here I can search for anything online. Then I go through the results, and if I see a link I want to save, I can simply click Add to Knowledge Base. This will save the entire web page to your library so you can see it again. But this tool isn't just an AI assistant or search engine. It's a great note app as well, where you can store your notes, links, and information. Knowledge bases are like folders. You can create as many as you want for each project, topic, or category. But personally, I prefer to have as few as possible because having too many can be confusing and tiring. There is just one big folder for all my notes and one for my bookmarks. But if you're going to use it for both work and personal use, it might be wise to create separate knowledge bases for each. Now, in my note folder, I already have my past notes imported so I can use them as a reference. Now I can ask something like, what notes do I have about improving focus? And it will run a few searches on my notes and give me a summary of all that are relevant to my question. Or I can use my bookmark knowledge base to find information from something I've read before. This is very handy for me because I save tons of things I find on the internet. So being able to search through my bookmarks with AI is a massive time saver. And by the way, if you find something you like online, you can save that directly to your knowledge base using its browser extension. It works on pretty much any website, including YouTube. However, what I love most about TextCortex is what you can do with the stuff you collected. It's the ability to write using your own persona based on your notes or links you gathered. This is a game changer for writers like me. By training the AI on your existing writing samples, you can have your own persona with your own style. Using this, TextCortex can generate content that matches your unique voice. This means the output feels more natural and authentic, not like it was written by a typical AI. So what you can do is this, for example, you can choose your own persona, choose your knowledge base with the information you want to use, and then give it a prompt to write an article or a blog post or whatever you want to do. And it will generate content based on the knowledge base in your own style. And you could even use templates to optimize this process. I actually have a few I made to speed up my content creation process, such as one that generates outline based on information I gathered about a product. So honestly speaking, this has been the biggest time-saving tool for me. It handles the initial research and also the drafting stages, and lets me spend more time for something else. So there are a lot of more things you can do with TextCortex, considering its customizability, and it's more than just an AI writing tool. It's a sort of comprehensive knowledge management tool, from the new interface to its powerful research capabilities, from its ability to mimic your writing style to its flexible knowledge-based management. It offers a suite of features that can make your life a lot easier, and it's not just for individual use, and it's great for teams as well. So you can give it a try from the link in the description. If you do, please let me know in the comment what you think. Okay, thank you so much for watching till the end, and see you in the next one. Bye.